Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Color 8, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the toggle for screen recording, which for me it is visible right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, confirm it by selecting OK, and this will begin recording. Once you're done, you can just tap on that little counter there with a red square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And in here, you'll be able to find it under a category called Movies. You can also find under Search and guess Videos here. Oh, so for some reason it's not showing up Movies here, but should be visible by default here. In any case, you can tap on it, and as you can see, we have some sound. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.